We know that each dish of food items is usually made up of one or more ingredients in that dish, and that ingredients we get from plants or animals. These ingredients which contain some components, and these components are needed by our body. These components are called nutrients. The major nutrients present in our food are named by carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. They all are present in our food that we eat. They are must for our body development. In addition, food contains dietary fibers and water, which are also needed by our body. Today's objective was to know about nutrients.